Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited for this review. I have been waiting on the new Fenty concealer and powder to come out, and my box finally arrived from Sephora. So I just wanted to give you guys my 2 cents because there's just not any reviews out there. There's none. Hopefully this will help you, at least color wise, and just taking a regular person like me. I'm no makeup artist, I'm no nothing, just my point of view and how I feel about it. I did re-up on the foundation because I ran out. My old one in 360, but this time I went with 370, just a little bit darker. As far as the new concealers that came out, I have colors 300 for a highlight, 360 that is like my color, and then for the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, I got it in Banana. Pretty much do my normal routine, use my normal everything, and just kind of go from there. First, I'm going to take my foundation like I normally do and throw that on this face here. I definitely like this color more than the 360, even though it is not that big of a difference. I always had to add just a tiny bit of bronzer to 360 so that it would just, you know, just really suit me a lot better. And this one, I don't think I have to. I hope it's coming out. It looks really good right here, but I don't know if it's coming out a little orangey on camera, but I like it. I think I really like 370. Okay, I'm gonna put 360 underneath the eyes first. Okay. I can automatically tell it's really creamy. That is super creamy. It goes on really soft. Huh. This is 300. I'm gonna just pop a little right there so that it just will all kind of blend. I'm not really doing much of anything today, so I don't need like a super duper highlight. But let's just see how that looks. And that blends out really well. Okay. So that. I just look so freaking tired. Ugh. Anyways, next I'm gonna go straight in with the banana powder. Love her packaging. She has like the best packaging. I'm gonna just put a little in the cap. I'm gonna take this brush, and I'm not necessarily going to bake because baking for me just makes my creases and stuff come out even more. I should have put some eye hydrating patches on before I came on camera trying to do some makeup. So I know all y'all just staring at my bags and crap under my eyes. Don't stare, it's not polite. Okie dokie. You know, I like that. It's pretty smooth. It's pretty freaking smooth though. All right, let me finish the rest of my makeup and I will be back. All right guys, so I am back and here is the final look. And pretty much everything that I'm wearing on, like everything that I have on today is Fenty, from my foundation to my concealer to my powder to my lips. I am just a all-around fan of it. Very matte. I feel very natural and I feel very pretty as well. Like I feel like myself, but just a little bit prettier, you know what I mean? I've been wearing makeup forever, whether I was sneaking in my mama's prescriptives foundation and stuff before I went to school. I've just been wearing it for a very long time, and I have yet to really fall in love with the brand, and I absolutely love Fenty. Now, is everything that Rihanna and her team puts out gonna be like bomb every single time? Probably not. But the majority of the things, are they gonna be? Yes. And the most important things for me, and especially I would think if you are a makeup lover, is your complexion, because your complexion, your base, your foundation, all that sets the tone for the rest of your makeup. And if a company can get that right initially, then everything else will just fall into place. The concealers. I bought 300 and 360. 300 I thought was going to be way lighter than I expected, and it is pretty light, but I did mix it with my 360. So I put the 360 on first, and then I topped it with a little bit of the 300 just to give me a little bit of a highlight, but not too much. And I think that was perfect for me, just for an everyday type of, like, if I'm going out, kind of everyday look. It did not give me that like Kim K super highlighted underneath, which it's a time and place for that. It's not every day for me. So I think if I wanted that, I would use a little bit less of 360, which is pretty much my skin tone, and more of 300. So that worked out for me. I'm happy that I bought both of them. They were very easy to blend. You had time to blend them out. They're very creamy, and I didn't get any like real creasing, which is amazing. So I am in love with those concealers. They kind of remind me a little bit of the NARS Creamy Radiant, but I feel like the Fenty is a little bit more creamier than that. I could be wrong because I haven't used the NARS in a little while now, but I used to use it all the time, so that's why I'm comparing the two. As far as the powder, I got it in Banana, and it just gave me a very natural look. It wasn't like a highlighted type of look or, you know, anything like that. It was just very natural. Maybe if I would have baked a little bit longer, I don't know, maybe if I would have baked with it, would it have given me a more highlighted look? I don't know, because I don't really bake all the time. Will I go back and purchase like a different color powder? I don't think so. I'll be honest with you guys, it didn't like wow me. It was just like a nice powder. Like, it set just fine. I don't have any complaints about it, but I'm happy with using it under my eyes. Anything, I would maybe top this with a little bit of the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and then I'm good. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope it was helpful. I just applied it how I normally would, and I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm an everyday kind of girl, and I am in love with it. Especially the concealers. I think they are amazing. I really like them. That's pretty much it, you guys. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please put them down below, and I will be happy to answer them as best as I can. And that's it. I keep saying that's it, and I keep talking. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.